How to extend C drive by merging two drives together. First, everyone should right-click on Start. Select Disk Management. Keep in mind, you can only merge two drives if they are next to each other. Here, there is a drive between the C and E drives. We have to delete that drive first before we can merge the E drive with the C drive. To delete the recovery partition, we will do the following. Everyone go to the search bar. Type the command cmd. Select Run as Administrator. Select Yes. Everyone enter the following command. Disk part. Enter. Then type list. Disk. Enter. Type the command select. Disk 0 to select the drive everyone. In case you have multiple drives, make sure to select the correct one that you want to merge with the C drive. Enter. Then enter the command list partition. We need to delete the 522 MB recovery partition. Enter the command select partition. It is partition number 4. Press enter. To delete it, enter the command delete partition override. Press enter. This will delete the recovery partition. Now we will also merge this recovery partition into the C drive. Right-click on the C drive. Select Extend Volume. Select Next. Select Next. Select Finish. Now it's done and we can merge the C drive with the E drive. Everyone can merge the entire E drive into the C drive, or just merge part of the E drive's space into the C drive. Here, I will merge only part of the E drive's space into the C drive as follows. Right-click on the E drive. Select Shrink Volume to split the E drive into two partitions. Everyone, take note of the field size of available shrink space in MB. It means we can only shrink up to around 50 for gigabytes. If you shrink more than that, it will cause an error. Here, I will split the 50 for gigabytes into two parts of 27 gigabytes each. Select Shrink, because we can only merge two adjacent drives. Then I will move the space from the E drive to the newly created partition. I will right-click on the newly created New Simple Volume. Select Next. Select Next. Select Next. Select Next. Select Finish. If you have important data on the E drive, copy it to the F drive. After copying the space from the E drive to the F drive, I will delete the E drive to merge it into the C drive. Right-click on the E drive. Select Delete Volume. Select Yes. Right-click on the C drive. Select Extend Volume. Select Next. Select Next. Select Finish. That's it. This is how you can increase the C drive capacity by merging two drives together. My C drive has now increased to 93 gigabytes. Additionally, when the C drive is full, you can increase its space by cleaning up junk files. I've made a video guiding everyone on how to clean up junk files on the C drive. I'll put the video link in the description of this video. Everyone, click on it to watch. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much.